Hi guys, in this video you're going to learn how to create a YouTube channel in less than 5 minutes. So you visit www.youtube.com, then you allow the tab to open up. Okay, so this is very handy for new Gmail accounts. Next, you click on the menu tab at the top left corner. Next, you scroll down and find settings. Then you click on the settings button. It's going to take us to this page where we're going to find create a channel button. Then we'll click on the create a channel. All right, so next new pop-up is going to appear where we're going to edit or set up the channel details. So we're going to select the name. We're going to name this Coppola. Next, we could set up a handle or a username for this YouTube channel. So we're going to use my Coppola for this. So let's see if my Coppola is available. All right, so we could see my Coppola is available. You could also add a profile picture or you upload a picture over there if you want, or you could skip that for now. Then you hit the create channel button to set up your new YouTube channel on this Gmail account. All right, so here we go. Our channel has been created successfully. So you could also click on the customize channel button in order to update your profile picture and also add a channel art and featured sections on your YouTube channel. So as much as you want, or maybe a welcome video, you could set that all up when you customize your channel settings. All right guys, so make sure you like this video and subscribe for more exclusive videos like this. All right guys, see ya, bye.